Massive hydraulic presses, industrial shredders, blazing furnaces, precision material sorting. This isn't just destruction, it's engineered transformation. Welcome to Factory Founder, SAPA, where we uncover how industries transform raw materials into the products that power our world.
For decades, the Freightliner Classic XL ruled American highways. Long hood, chrome grille, towering exhaust stacks, a machine built for endurance, hauling oil across thousands of miles of asphalt. But even giants age, metal corrodes, engines fail, regulations change, and eventually, these once proud oil trucks arrive at their final destination. Every journey into renewal begins at the gate. The truck rolls slowly onto the weighbridge. Its steel frame groans slightly, worn from decades of service. Rust freckles the tanker body. Paint fades under years of sun exposure. Technicians record the vehicle identification number. Documentary is verified. Only after compliance checks are complete is the Freightliner Classic XL cleared to enter the dismantling facility.
Check the rust on this coil. Looks pretty deep, mark that down.
Before dismantling begins, safety comes first. Fuel tanks are grounded to prevent static discharge. Specialized pumps extract remaining diesel into sealed recovery units. Engine oil is drained into controlled collection tanks. Hydraulic fluid is extracted from steering and braking systems. Coolant flows from the radiator into labeled containers. Each liquid is segregated. Nothing touches the ground. Then comes the most critical step for oil transport trucks, tanker degassing. Industrial ventilation systems connect to access ports. Gas detectors monitor vapor concentration. Residual fumes are removed before high-pressure cleaning begins. The inside of the tanker, once filled with fuel, is washed and neutralized. Only when the truck is fully de-energized, drained, cleaned, and cleared does it move forward. Safety transforms risk into readiness. The hood is lifted. Inside, the aging engine compartment reveals brittle wiring, oxidized terminals, and a heavy-duty battery still connected to the electrical system. Battery removal is the first step. Power must be neutralized. A single spark could ignite vapors. Technicians disconnect terminals in sequence, remove the battery, and transfer it to hazardous waste containment.
Hold it there. Lowering now. Watch the clearance. Perfect. Take it down.
Now begins the physical transformation. The engine, once the beating heart of the Freightliner Classic XL, is lifted free by overhead crane. Turbocharger, alternator, radiator, transmission housing. Each major component is removed separately. Axles are detached, suspension assemblies lowered, fuel tanks unbolted, the interior is stripped, seats, dashboard, insulation removed and sorted. Tires are separated from steel rims.
Careful not to breathe that rust. Lift it slowly now. Clear on this side. Watch the cables there. Moving into position.
Some components may be refurbished. Others are destined for shredding. Piece by piece, the truck loses its identity as a vehicle and becomes raw material.
Copy that. Moving the tank now. Watch the suspension arm. It's loose.
With major systems removed, attention shifts to structure. The cab is detached from the chassis frame. Massive bolts, once tightened for cross-country endurance, are loosened. The cylindrical tanker body is separated from the chassis rails.
Lower it slowly, watch the rollers. Got it secure on the forks. Engage the stabilizers, move it forward. Hold it there, right? Easy now. That's good. Now the forklift. Tighten it up there. I'm on it. Watch the spark, spark. Keep it steady there. Down just a little, please. Almost through. Okay, clear.
Frame sections are cut into transportable lengths. Plasma torches slice through thick steel only where required. Hydraulic shears trim oversized beams. What once stood 13 feet tall is now reduced to manageable segments. But the most dramatic transformation is yet to come. Hydraulic compression presses descend. The cab collapses inward, steel folding under immense pressure. Frame rails bend, tanker ribs crumble. What took decades to wear down takes seconds to compress. Next, the primary industrial shredder. Rotating steel teeth grip the crushed sections and pull them inward. The sound is thunderous. Engine blocks fracture. Axle housings split. Steel panels tear apart. Fragments move along conveyors into secondary shredders, refining size further.
Keep the line moving, safety first. Watch that forklift, careful. Sparks flying, clear the area.
Separation begins. Shredded material travels beneath a massive magnetic drum. Large pieces are reduced to uniform scrap dimensions.
Look steady. The separator is engaging.
Non-ferrous materials continue forward.
Efficiency.
An eddy current
Adjust the
separator
feed rate
repels
slightly.
aluminum and copper,
Monitoring
radiator
the copper
fins,
yield.
wiring,
Verified.
trim. Manual inspectors remove contaminants that machines may miss. Oversized fragments are diverted for reprocessing. Purity is critical.
line clear.
Steel must meet strict chemical
Moving these
standards before
oversized
melting.
pieces now.
Sorting ensures quality
Watch the
before
overflow
rebirth.
on bin 7.
Before entering the furnace, scrap must be prepared. Moisture is removed. Residual contaminants are eliminated.
Efficiency is at peak. Maintain the intake flow.
Data looks optimal on the screens.
Verified. The system is operating seamlessly.
Finally, scrap is graded. Heavy melt steel, shredded steel, non-ferrous metals. Weighed and batched precisely. Charge baskets are loaded with calculated proportions. Too much carbon. Too little alloy. The chemistry must be exact. The scrap that once formed a highway oil truck is now ready for transformation by fire.
Open the gate, hold it steady, adjust the angle, pouring now. Check the flow, watch the modes, slow down, stopping now. Keep it steady, let's skim this slag. All right, getting these impurities out now. The fan on high, the temperature is still too high.
Affirmative. Crane lowering the next batch now.
Forklift moving into position to receive them. Secure the tongues. Initiating lift. Slow and steady. Clear. Clear. Move it over here. Line it up here, nice and slow. Watch for the sparks. Setting this down. Need another here. Keep the pace steady. Watch the stack. Clear. Proceed with caution.
Inventory confirmed. Lowering the pallet slowly. Stand by. Labeling is complete.
Keep it steady. Down slightly more. Okay, it's on. Pulling back. Clear the aisle, please. Watch the cables. Good.
Each ingot is inspected for surface defects. Dimensions are measured. Chemical analysis confirms composition. Certified and labeled. Palletized and secured. Loaded onto flatbed trucks. The steel leaves the facility, not as a truck, but as possibility. Once, the Freightliner Classic XL carried oil across America. Now, its steel may become a bridge beam, a skyscraper column, railway track, or perhaps part of another truck. Recycling is not destruction. It is transformation. In this facility, nothing is wasted. Every bolt, every frame rail, every tanker rib. Reduced, refined, reborn. From road giant to raw steel.